Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey there, enjoying the party?
Oh, hi. Yeah, it's pretty lively in here. I'm having a good time. How about you?
Same here. The music is great, and the atmosphere is buzzing. By the way, I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emily. So, what brings you to the party?
Well, a friend dragged me along. I'm not much of a party person, but I thought, why not?
Same here. Parties aren't really my scene, but tonight seemed like a good night to break the routine.
Glad I'm not the only one. So, what do you do when you're not navigating the party scene?
I'm into photography, actually. I love capturing moments and emotions.
That's fascinating. I've always been curious about photography. Do you have a favorite subject?
Definitely people. There's something magical about freezing a moment in time, especially when it involves genuine emotions.
That's deep. I admire people who can capture emotions through their lens. I'm more of a music person myself. Do you have a favorite genre?
Oh, I love music too. It's like the soundtrack of life. I'm into indie and alternative mostly. How about you?
Nice choice. I'm all over the place, but I have a soft spot for classic rock. There's something timeless about it.
Totally agree. Classic rock has this nostalgic feel. It's like each song has a story to tell.
Speaking of stories, what's your favorite book or movie?
Tough one. I'd say The Great Gatsby is a classic I can read over and over. And for movies, I'm a sucker for old romantic comedies.
The Great Gatsby is a masterpiece. And romantic comedies? Any favorites?
When Harry Met Sally is a classic. I can never get enough of it. What about you?
Solid choice. I'm more into sci-fi and fantasy. Blade Runner is an all-time favorite.
Nice. I appreciate a good sci-fi film too. So, Alex, tell me something interesting about yourself.
Well, I can solve a Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes. It's my quirky party trick.
Impressive. I've never been able to crack that colorful puzzle. You'll have to show me sometime.
Deal. So, Emily, do you believe in first impressions?
I think they matter, but sometimes the real magic happens when you get to know someone beyond the surface.
That's a beautiful way to put it. I'm glad I stuck around to discover the magic. Mind if I grab you a drink?
I'd love that, Alex. Let's continue this conversation with a drink in hand.
Hey there. How's it going?
Oh, hi. Not bad, thanks. Just finished some house chores. How about you?
Same here. You know, the usual routine, dishes, laundry, the whole deal.
Tell me about it. It never ends, does it?
Nope, it's a never-ending cycle. By the way, have you tried that new recipe I told you about?
The one with the avocado? Not yet. I keep forgetting to buy avocados.
Well, when you do, give it a shot. It's simple and delicious.
I will, for sure. By the way, did you catch the latest episode of that new TV show?
Unfortunately, no. I've been swamped with work lately. How was it?
Oh, it was fantastic. You should definitely check it out when you get the chance. So, what's new with work?
Just the usual grind. Meetings, deadlines, the whole 9 yards. I wish there were more hours in a day.
I hear you. Sometimes, I feel like I need a pause button just to catch my breath.
Wouldn't that be nice? Imagine having a pause button for life. Just take a break whenever you need it.
Speaking of breaks, have you thought about where to go for vacation this year?
Funny you ask. I was just browsing through some travel websites. I'm thinking of a beach destination. Somewhere with clear blue water.
That sounds amazing. I could use some sunshine and relaxation. Any specific place in mind?
Not yet, still exploring options. Maybe you can join me. It's always more fun with company.
I'd love to. Let me know once you decide, and we can plan something together.
Absolutely. It would be a great getaway. By the way, did you hear about the new neighbor who moved in last week?
Oh, the one with the adorable dog? Yes, I met them briefly. Seems nice.
Yeah, they do. We should organize a welcome gathering or something. It's always good to have a sense of community.
That's a fantastic idea. We can plan a little potluck or a barbecue. What do you think?
Perfect. I'll talk to the others on the block, and we can make it happen. It's essential to build a friendly neighborhood.
Totally agree. It creates a sense of belonging. Hey, speaking of which, do you have a moment later? I wanted to discuss something about the neighborhood association.
Sure thing. I'm free after dinner. Swing by my place, and we can chat about it.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks. Alright, I should get going. Got a few more errands to run before the day ends.
No problem. Take care, and see you later.
You too. Bye for now.
Hey, Sarah. It's been ages since we caught up. How have you been?
Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. Life's been busy but exciting. How about you?
Same here. Work's been hectic, but I decided to take a break today and do some shopping. Want to join?
Absolutely. I could use some fresh fruits and veggies. Where should we start?
Let's hit the produce section first. I heard they have a great selection of organic stuff.
I've been trying to eat healthier lately. Any recommendations for nutritious snacks?
Well, I recently discovered these delicious almond clusters. They're a perfect mix of crunchy and sweet. Great for a quick pick-me-up.
That sounds tempting. I'll grab a bag. By the way, did you hear about the new bakery in town?
Oh, you mean Baker's Haven? Yeah, their pastries are incredible. I might swing by there after this for a treat.
Speaking of treats, what's your go-to comfort food when you need a pick-me-up?
Ah, a tough question. I'd say a classic cheese pizza never fails to lift my spirits. How about you?
I'm a sucker for chocolate ice cream. It's my ultimate comfort food.
Nice choice. Let's make a mental note to indulge in our favorites this weekend.
Have you heard about the upcoming farmers market event? I heard they'll have live music this time.
That sounds fantastic. Count me in. Also, check out these handmade soaps I found. They smell heavenly.
Wow, those look lovely. I'll grab a couple for myself. Thanks for the tip.
All set with shopping. Fancy grabbing a cup of coffee at that new cafe around the corner?
Perfect idea. I could use a coffee break. Let's go.